Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. For almost all of June and the first part of July, summer seemed like a distant rumour here in London. Like most people, I was starting to resign myself to the fact that we probably wouldn't really have anything resembling a summer this year. So you can imagine my surprise when over the last couple of weeks we've suddenly had a string of days where the temperature's been well into the 20s, sometimes even into the early 30s. It almost feels like summer. However, England being England, of course, it's also been very muggy. If you say it's very muggy, you mean it's unpleasantly warm and there's a lot of air. There's a lot of water in the air. The air contains a lot of water. It's very hot and humid. We also sometimes say it's very close, by the way. I guess the idea is it's very close to there being a storm, or rain is very close. So maybe when it's very muggy, like me, you might sleep with the windows open and without any covers on. Often you open the door in the morning and you look out and the sky is grey and it's quite overcast, but it's still 25 degrees and very close, very muggy outside. And as most Londoners will tell you, there's nothing better on a muggy day than an ice cold beer. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see how you might use very muggy or very close.